welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Miss Wang, and if you're new here, welcome. Join the family. Click the subscribe button down below, guys. If you're not new here, then thank you so much for being back here with us for another video. All right, so today I'm gonna be doing drugstore makeup because basically all I use for my makeup is drugstore. All right, and I'm gonna start off. I've already done my brows, so if you haven't, if you don't know how I do my brows, you can check out one of my eyebrow tutorials on my channel. I have like 3 of those on my channel, so you could check one of those out. And for my face, I've already primed using my calamine lotion, and this is the Benjamin's Jamaican brand lotion, and it does my face perfectly fine. So you could try your local brand or whichever brand that you'd want to try if you're not able to access the Benjamin's brand. All right. So I'm gonna start off my face, and I'm using my Maybelline Superstay foundation, and this is in the shade Cappuccino 340. So let's get it started. All right, so I don't really use a lot. I use like 2 pumps or 1.5 pumps, and I'm using my brush. I don't know, I think this is a foundation brush, but this is what I'll be using. And I'm light-handedly, so I don't take off a lot, and I just can blend this over my face. All right, because the calamine lotion is on my face, on the face, you want to make sure that you cover the whites, because the calamine lotion, it dries white, so you want to ensure that you cover all of those little white areas. Because I know that it dries white, I don't really use a lot on my face. I just light-handedly spread it all over my face, because I don't want my makeup to be too heavy on my face. All right, if I put a lot on the face, a lot of the calamine lotion to prime my face, then I'd be using a lot more foundation to cover the white spots, and I don't want that. This is a everyday makeup look, so I don't really want my face to look too heavy with the foundation. Alright, so I'm just really blending this over my face. And before I started using the calamine lotion, this was my go-to primer. This is the Maybelline Baby Skin. I think it does help with the pores. So if you're looking for a drugstore primer to use, then you could try this one. All right, I think that the calamine lotion, it just gives me such a good even blend. Since I started using it, I have not looked back. All right, so now for the forehead, I'm gonna blend this out, and I do add a little bit of the foundation when I blend in my face. I use a little bit of it on my eyelid, just to blend out and to have everywhere looking even. This is an everyday look, so I'm not really going to be using or adding any eyeshadow. If I am gonna be using an eyeshadow, it's just like a contour shade I put up there. All right, but the key to your foundation or your makeup looking seamless is perfect blend. You want to blend out your makeup perfectly. So I'm gonna add a little bit more under here, even though I don't really need to be adding anymore, because I'm gonna do highlighting, so I don't really need all that much product underneath. But I just wanted to finish off this that I added to my hand. Get the neck as well. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead to my highlight now, and I'm kind of removing my brow from the foundation application, but I'll just have to fix that afterwards. I'm gonna go in now with my highlights, and I am using my Maybelline Superstay foundation for highlight. I've been using this a lot lately for my highlights because I just think that it does my face so much better than the highlights that I've been using. Alright, so I'm going to be using, this is in the shade Golden, and this is 312, and I just need one pump, because one pump gives me a fairly good amount of product. Alright, and I'm just going to use my same brush that I've been using for my foundation. Using the same brush for my foundation to add that over my to my highlight areas. Alright, so I put a little here. See, I really didn't need all of this. And I'm gonna blend out using the brush. And it does take a little bit of work. No, not a little bit of work. It does take some amount of work to blend this all the way out. Sometimes I don't really like to do my forehead because it's so easy to look so white and ashy, but we still have to blend that out. Alright, and remember, we don't want any lines, so we're gonna blend everything out before we start our contour. Don't think I need any here. Alright, so what we're going to be doing next is we're going to be setting our highlights with this L'Oreal Hydra Perfect setting powder. This is what I've been using like for a year now or so. And I'm going to take the same brush. Yes, I use the same brush for everything except for my contour. So I'm going to be using the same brush, and I kind of like take the excess off and I go ahead and set. So I press that in. And I do the same thing for the other side. I'm gonna be doing my smile lines. And smile lines are those lines like right here. As well as over here. And then I'm gonna go ahead with my contour. I'm not gonna set my nose as yet. I'm gonna do my contour first. And I am wondering if I should use my black Radiance contour palette for my contour. I haven't used it in a little while. Or if I should just powder contour with my, I don't even know the brand of this because it doesn't have a brand. Well, I guess the brand is Black Up. Yeah, and it has the shades on it. So this is Black Up Cappuccino. So I'm not sure. Let's try the powder contour. I haven't cream contour in a little while. So I'm looking for my contour brush. I'm not seeing it. Like, where are you? Oh yeah, right here. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and do some powder contour. take it all the way around the base of the face. So how have things been with you guys? Like, oh my god, things are just crazy here. This is like one of the second week of lockdown as I'm recording. You'll be getting this probably the third week. The third week I think is just a Sunday, so we'll be out and back at work Monday and Tuesday of next week. It's just a Sunday. But like, how have you guys been using your lockdown time? To be honest, I've been really just chilling. I don't get as much time at home, so I'm happy for the days. I'm happy for the days at home, cause man, I rode tete. I'm just kidding, forget I said that. Alright, so let's move on to the nose. No, let's cut our cheek here first with our highlighter or highlights. What am I saying? With my setting powder. And I just dab it like that. Dab it like that. Because I think my face is so structured. Already I don't need to be doing too much when it comes to, you know, cutting my face there. I'm gonna be doing my nose right now. I didn't do my nose. And I use a smaller brush. Jesus. And I just use my finger. Alright, so I'm gonna be doing the contour, and I'm using the same shade, the mocha, the cappuccino. And just shaping out my nose right there. And then I just take a little bit of the, when I'm shaping up my nose, I just take a little bit of the color and add a little bit of color to my lids. Remake my mole or brighten it. I'm gonna add some white in my waterline while the makeup sets. I like it when I do the white in my waterline, but I don't like it when it's too white. So we're gonna try to get rid of some of that with our mascara. Alright, you see when you put your your setting powder on and you go ahead and touch it, it causes the area to look, the print is left there. So I'm gonna go over that with some more powder to kind of blend it out. Alright, so I already have some lashes on. This is from my magnetic lashes lash extension video. If you haven't seen that as yet, go ahead and check it out. But I think I do want a little bit more on my lashes, so I'm gonna go ahead and put some lashes on. And these are some lashes that I've used before that I'm gonna be using today. I'm gonna put the glue on and pop them on. And if you haven't checked out my how I apply my falsies videos yet, then you can go ahead and check it out to see how I do my lashes, how I do my lashes, or how I usually do them. Alright, so you already know nude lips is what we do over here. So I'm gonna take my eyeliner, that same one that I use on my brows, to line our lips. I'm gonna be using my e.l.f. Nostalgic Lippy. All over that, and then we'll just brush this off. No, I haven't used any blush. Alright, so I'm gonna use my eyeshadow palette. I can add a little bit of blush to my face. And I am using my my Maybelline Lasting Fix to set my face. I'll put a little bit of NYX Butter Gloss, and this is in the shade Maybelline over that. Alright, so wait until this dry, Alice, and we'll put our mascara on, because if not, then it will just mess our makeup up. And I'm gonna run and do my face and be back. Alright, guys. Oh, highlighter. We can't forget the highlighter. And I'm using the shade Bronze in the Anastasia Beverly Hills palette. This is the only thing that I think is not Drugstore. Alright guys, so this is the end of the video. This is my look. This is my Drugstore makeup routine. I do hope you found this video helpful. If you do, please go ahead and give me a huge thumbs up and share the video with somebody who you think would like to see this kind of video. Alright, so I did a review on this wig that I'm wearing right now, and it should be the next video coming up on my channel. And you do know I upload on a Saturdays and sometimes on a Tuesday, so go ahead and turn that notification bell to all so you never miss an upload from me. Alright, so I'll be doing a review on this wig, so look out for that. As I said, turn your notification bell to all and look out for the video. But this is my Drugstore makeup. I wanted to put some red lippy on because I am thinking of doing my everyday makeup routine, which is pretty similar to this that I'm wearing, but red is just not my thing. I am going to be doing a red lip look, however, in a get ready with me video, so look out for that as well. Alright guys, so thank you so much for watching.